Hi knitters, I'm going to quickly show you how to put the beard on Sven using these mohair locks that came with our Barrett Wool Co. kit. What I did first is I whip stitched the hat to the head, so I just used the same gray yarn that was provided in your kit. I stitch it down. Just to point out a couple quick things too, I also did a straight stitch over the eye to create kind of an eyebrow, and then I also did just kind of made a couple little hairs coming out from under the cap there, just literally pulled one piece of yarn kind of up and under the hat there through a stitch, and then I just trimmed it there for another extra detail. And then I just want to show you I use these locks that are a little fuzzier than the ones that came with your kit. The ones in the kit are actually nicer than the ones that I have here. But if you can see here, I just simply pulled a piece of the locks through a stitch, and it's just kind of sitting there like that. It's not really secured or anything. So you're going to get something like this, kind of pull apart the strands of the locks. I just simply placed it on a yarn needle. I just kind of pulled the end through a little bit, and I'll just kind of pull one through here for you. So I just go under a stitch, both legs of a stitch, and then I pull that through and pull my needle out, and then I would just kind of lay it down there. Mine got a lot fuzzier kind of as they sat there, and then you can also just trim that off to make it a little more even, or get rid of those kind of fuzzy ends. But that's basically all I did all the way. Just kind of made kind of a half circle and a little bit here on the side. But Carol's instructions are really clear in the pattern too, so that should be helpful. All right, well, good luck with your beard placement. Also, before I go, I should just say too, like if you get kind of a clump like this of the locks, you can always just kind of pull them apart a little bit like that and create kind of a strand, and you can even kind of roll it or twist it, you know, to get it to be more of kind of a strand to pull through as well. All right, I'm done this time. Thanks, bye.